Good morning, good evening, wherever you're at in the world. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Theory. Guys, I wanted to talk about Bitcoin Cash today, simply because if you follow Bitcoin Cash, you've noticed that the price increase has been very good over the last week, day. Basically, over last night, we increased over 25%. We briefly touched 140, and we've kind of came back down. But with the volatility on Bitcoin Cash currently at the moment in between, we're jumping anywhere from 130 to 140. This could be a very clear-cut indication that some exchanges are willing to push this coin higher in the short term. Now, specifically, I want to reference a few dates that have occurred over the last year to give you kind of a timeline on if you think Bitcoin Cash is important or if you don't. It doesn't really matter, because after I give you these dates, you will see that there is a demand for this coin, as well as exchanges willing to push the coin in certain moments, that kind of thing. So if we go back to last year, we looked around May when the Terra Luna crash kind of unraveled per se. This is one of the times that Bitcoin Cash dipped all the way to 97 US dollars before in that same month rallying all the way up to $151. And this is in the same 2-week span from, to give you an idea, July 11th to July 29th. We saw an increase in roughly 50% on Bitcoin Cash. Since then, we've kind of been kind of in line with the market. We've been kind of moving in line with the market. However, at the beginning of the year, if you don't remember, let me revisit your thought. When Bitcoin Cash briefly, we collapsed with the FTX. Everything went down with FTX, but surprisingly, at the beginning of the year, January, we went all the way from $96 all the way up, briefly touching 147 US dollars on some exchanges. You'll see that was a short rally on Bitcoin Cash that extended kind of independent of most of the altcoins. Some altcoins did go up, but it wasn't really as fast. And in the current moment, we've seen Bitcoin Cash trail into under $81 just last week, all the way plowing up all the way now to 140 US dollars. So this is a coin to watch, guys. We've been talking about it on the channel for quite a while. And Bitcoin Cash was listed on the new exchange sponsored by Charles Schwab and Fidelity. So these two big players in the game are giving access to this particular coin. And the premiums on Bitcoin Cash, Grayscale Holding Trust, has increased incredibly high from where it's been over the last few weeks of like 80 cents. It's rallied all the way up to $20 or 20%. And it's rallied all the way up 33% on the 5-day chart. And in the month and 6-month chart, we're up over 129% on the 6-month BCHG Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust. Now, we're up 168% on the year on that same stock that follows Bitcoin Cash. So even though it's down a very high amount from 60 US dollars during the lockup period, if you are kind of unsure about crypto, or you're still kind of on the fence about it, and I know people are, this would be a way to get exposure to Bitcoin Cash without actually risking holding the actual coin if it's just not your thing. But I do recommend actually purchasing and holding Bitcoin Cash, and use it in your daily lives. Use it for tipping people on the internet. Use it for among the growing community that's supporting this coin over the last few years. And start looking at what Bitcoin really is, and you might actually find some interest in this particular coin, that kind of thing. So guys, if you're interested in Bitcoin Cash and you're on the fence about owning any, send me your wallet address. I'll send you some Bitcoin Cash. That way you don't have to worry about buying it from the exchange or any of that stuff. You can have it and kind of own it and say you're part of it if you're kind of on the fence about Bitcoin Cash or crypto in general. So this is all I got right now, guys. Stay vigilant. Hopefully we'll see an increase in price from Bitcoin Cash from here. I'd like to see us barrel up all the way to even $400 US dollars, because I think that there has to be some kind of mental level of support for people that have been buying and holding this coin for a very long time. And I know that's 200-300% up, I'm talking, but in the realm of crypto, that is not impossible. So we'll catch you guys in the next one, guys. Just want to do an update on Bitcoin Cash, and we'll see how it kind of goes over the next weeks, months, decades, and times to come. Take care now.